everyone, welcome to our video today. Short one for you today. It's an unboxing of the bee inspired wall decor kit brought to you by Resin Jewels and Resin Detra Supplies. Now, is it their business card information? Why not go on over to their sites and check out their socials? Here is the kit. It's a quick sneak preview. It's come boxed up and it's full of lots of goodies. So first up, look at this stunningly beautiful golden bee. Now, you just need to try and get this open. There we go. Everything comes always very well packaged and in these beautiful little holographic pink or silver coloured bags. So yeah, really playing on the camera light there. But look, here's a close-up. This bee, look at all the detail and the wings, the legs, the antennae. You turn it over, it's got a couple of two or three hollow compartments there. You could, of course, fill those with some gold. Or maybe some glitter in resin. All that would need a little jump thing through the ring through the top and on a piece of cord, and you've got a necklace. Very, very simple, very, very straightforward. We've also got these two other bees. Now, these are more of, I'm not sure what material they're made from, but they feel a bit sort of acrylic or plastic coated. You get two of them, and look at this. Again, the detail. And look at those wings with a little golden veining detail on them. They are stunning. I'm probably going to say that word quite a lot in this video, just warning you. This is what they look like from the reverse side. Would look fantastic in trinket trays, as embellishments, coasters, on the sides of vases, bowls, and even as hanging decorations, perhaps for the windows. So you also get two of these stickers. Now, I'm saying they're stickers. They're beautiful golden bees again. And again, these would look lovely on coasters or trinket trays. And then you just put a coat of clear resin over the top. Fabulous. So as you can see, we're building up a little bit of a collection here. Now in here, in this lovely silver pouch, there are two sheets of imitation golden leaf. Fantastic to use just in resin, clear resin itself, or to use as gilding in projects where you want to outline certain details. Here we go, a beautiful confetti style glitter, brilliant vibrant gold colour. Again, just trying to get it open. I'm just a little bit cack-handed, or if you know what that means, cack-handed. I don't know if anyone uses that expression anymore. Anyway, moving on. And this lovely spade. Now, the spade does not come with the kit, but they are available to purchase from Resin Jewels. They're fantastic, particularly for, you know, sort of shoveling out or spooning out or dishing out amounts of glitter. Look at that. Beautiful, deep yellow golden colour. Lots of varying sizes in this glitter. There's a bit more to show you. Oh, and I've just flicked some everywhere. That's not a surprise for me. Beautiful confetti style glitter, different sizes in there. But look at this. This is more of what I'd call a champagne gold glitter mix. It's beautiful. It's a fine glitter. Looks lovely in resin. Really, really lovely. You don't need very much. Obviously, the more you put in, the more dense in effect it is. The more it gives more of a punch of effect if you put more in. But look at that, it's got little holographic pops of colour to it. Beautiful. So moving on, beautiful, beautiful again. Sorry about this, saying beautiful a lot and stunning. Blue coloured. I don't know whether you'd call this. It's not a glitter. It's a mica. I think it's a mica anyway. Sort of mica, almost like crystal-like in formation. Look at that. It's very, very, almost mermaidy blue. And I know Jules herself from Resin Jewels did do her bee and use that to put in the wings. And it looked beautifully stunning. Here we go again with another item. We've got lots of, I can only call this, it's like, I don't know if you've ever made terrazzo. From Ecoport. It's like that, but a much thinner version, and you've got predominantly yellow with little bits of white, little bits of black. So look at that already. I've had to readjust the camera position so that you can see all of everything else that's still to come. More confetti or pop style glitter. Lots of lovely little round circles, a mixture of the golden yellow, the white, bright yellow, and also the little bits of black. Beautiful. This would look very nice in coasters. If you did, oh, I just spilled it everywhere again. Good Lord. I'm a bit clumsy, shall we just say, on this particular day. Would look beautiful anyway, as I was saying, sorry. In coasters, you could mix it with white resin. You could have it almost like a yin-yang sort of symbol. White on one side, glitter on the other. And look, there's more of this. Now, this is like gold leaf glitter. You could use that, some more of a rich sort of 24 karat gold colour, that one, I reckon. And we've got some citrine chips. Now, citrine is a semi-precious gemstone or crystal. And if you know all about crystals and things, then you'll know all about citrine. We've got a similar thing here in a lovely black colour. I'm not sure what stone this is, but there are tiny bits of got like a blue tinge to it as well in there. And look at this. This is, again, I would say a mix of glitter. And it's more of a champagne, but also with a silver colour too. I was just trying to shake it off the lid there so that when I open it, it doesn't just fly everywhere. I have used this in an upcoming video after this one, which happened on Friday afternoon. You'll see it where I've made something from this kit to show you. But that also is really rather gorgeous. And look at this. Now, those of you who know me, have seen the videos, you know I've got a bit of a thing for gold mica. Apologies. Actually, no, I'm not apologising for that. Gold mica, look at that. Really deep, rich golden colours. Mixes very, very well in resin. And the same thing here again with a real deep black colour. Look at that. It can be quite difficult to get a decent black mica. They quite often look like very dark grey or pewter, but this one works particularly well. Right, and here we go, almost at the end. Another rather lovely little container of, I was quite surprised about these. Look at them, miniature flowers, dried flowers, miniature ones. They will look lovely in any projects that you want to make, summer themed or bee themed. And look at this, a really good, you can never have too many stirrers for resin. You can never have too many of those. A pair of gloves, nitrile gloves. So there's the practical element as well as the pretty element in this kit. 3 wooden stir sticks, sort of medium size. A couple of little pots there, which are great for measuring out glitters, or if you want to make custom glitters like I do sometimes. A silicone squishy measuring jug, brilliant for mixing up resin. A bigger plastic cup, and also a calibrated cup, which is really good because, again, you can never have too many of these. So you can measure out your hardener and your resin. Also, 2 of these were included. Now, these are what you use instead of using nails and hooks to stick things onto the wall. So remember, this is a wall hanging kit. So hence why those have been added. So look at that, an absolute plethora of items that you have. Not forgetting, of course, it all comes wrapped in this stunning holographic mylar paper film. I'm going to call it film, mylar film, which is so useful in projects. So here we go, pièce de résistance. Look at this. I mean, words still escape me now. This mould, not only is it huge, size of my face, it's the bee. And Wayne, who is one of our team here, another creator here at Lottie Jasmine and Diane, said it looks a bit like, is it a hawk's head death moth? But I'm going to say this is a B, and I'm just pointing out to you here, look at how much detail there is in those veins, in the head part, in the body, in the antenna, in the legs. I mean, you know, you could do so many variations of this with it as a bee, but you could also do it, as Wayne has said, as a moth. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. Here is the final shot showing you everything in a bit more of a close-up. And thanks again to Resin Jules and Helena at Resin Detra Supplies. Your lives are always, always so exciting to watch and interesting and so on. Why not head on over to their websites? I believe this kit's finished and is out of stock now, but let's stay tuned for the next one. See you soon in a couple of days with a video using this kit. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.